All right, so she requested for a jumbo size Marley twist, and we'll be starting up from the very back of her head as usual, and also in lines like the normal knotless braid pattern or knotless braid styling pattern. So I'm going to be starting from the very back of her head like so. So starting up strong, we'll start by box braiding the hair, her own natural hair at first, and then we'll just go ahead to start adding the Marley twist bit by bit. That's the Marley extension. We just start by adding the Marley extension bit by bit, just the normal way we do the knotless braiding method. And once I'm done adding the extension, I'm just going to switch over to twisting the hair like so, and I'm twisting to the left and not to the right, just to give this natural look. So I'm twisting to the left. If you are doing like the bouncing kinky, you twist to the right. Hope that makes sense. So that's the difference between the two of them. So if you are using bouncing kinky, you twist to the right. If you are using extension, that's normal attachment, normal expression, or extension, you twist to the left. And then for this Marley extension, you also twist to the left as well to give you this natural twisting look. Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Thank you for tuning into today's video. How are you doing today? So for this, if you want to see how I achieved this hairstyle from the beginning to the end, just continue to watch. Do not skip any single part so that you don't miss it while I show you guys some tricks and show you guys what I am doing or how I am actually achieving the hairstyle. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead to subscribe. Click the subscribe button to join the family. Give the video a big thumbs up, and also share the video to friends and family, especially to those that you know that will actually learn one or two from this video. And because we want all the extension to fall equally at the back, just to give the same length, just to stop at a particular length at the back, everything to have same length at the back, I'm just going to go ahead to be measuring the length of the hair before I move over to the next step. And once I get to her desired length, I will just go ahead to fold the extension like so, and then roll it to itself. Fold the remaining piece of the extension, then roll it to itself like so. So we'll be repeating same thing to the rest part of her hair. And for the extension, I'm using like this gold Marley hair extension. You guys remember that old gold Marley hair extension? Yeah, I found it here as well. We found it here in this country, so that's what we are using. But any Marley hair would do. Any Marley hair will be able to achieve this. And for the color, we're using like color 2. So if your hair is really dark, you can use color 1, but for her hair is not so dark, so she wanted it to look very natural. That's why we're using color 2. And for the gel, I realized that Shine and Jam gel is basically too light in this country. Like, it doesn't hold hair at all. So the one they have in Nigeria is actually better than the one they have here in this country. So the one in Nigeria actually holds hair, but the one they sell in this country does not hold does not hold any hair. So I just have been trying other products. I tried so many products. It's either they are leaving like white cast, or there's white residue on the hair after I finish making the hair, or the product is just so light. But for today's hair, I actually use this dark molding gel wax, which works. It works perfectly well. But yeah, I'm just still using it. If you have an idea of anyone I can try or use, just let me know in the comment section below. Let's just get chatting in the comment section below. But for the moment, or for this moment, I think I recommend this dark molding gel wax, and I think they use it for like dreads as well, but I'm not sure. So yeah, that's what I'm using for now, and I'm going to be making a video on the products I use here, different products and what works for me, and also the equipment I've been using. Yeah, you guys just stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't, like I said before. And yeah, all the products used in this video, I will leave them in the description box below so that you can go and check it out, just in case you are interested in trying any of the products, especially the gel, the wax. Yeah. And for the ends, if I notice that if I fold the ends, it will give me like a bigger chunk um extension at the back, or yeah, at the end. I'm just going to trim off one side of the twisted tip. We'll trim that off and then use the remaining part of the twisted tip to fold it and then roll it to itself. Hope that makes sense, but just watch the video so that you see what I am doing. And just to let you guys know that we sell human hairs from wavy hair to bone straight, coily hair, bounce hair. We also have them in different lengths, and also we have frontals, closures, all available in different lengths as well. And also we have them in different laces. We have Swiss lace, and we also have HD lace as well. We ship worldwide. Hair products are not left out as well, so all available, and the website is www.exquisitesignature.com. You guys go ahead to patronize us. Click it on your screen. The website link is on your screen, like www.exquisitesignature.com, or you can check the description box below and click on the link so that you can patronize us. Yeah, so at this point I'm going to allow you guys to just watch the video, learn the process, and let me know if you like the hairstyle, and just basically enjoy the whole process. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later.
About you.